We live in a world in which it's really hard to become a natural person. We are surrounded by chemicals everywhere, and those are not good for our health. Many people think they are healthy, but they are not aware of how toxic is the world they are surrounded. From the food we daily eat, the products we use in our body, face, and hair, and the products we are constantly using for other activities such as cleaning supplies. If you want to start a change and become a more natural person, the best way to start is by changing the way you eat. You are what you eat, so it's very important to pay attention to the food you are choosing. Eating organically grown foods is the only way to avoid the cocktail of chemicals poisons present in commercially grown food. More than 600 active chemicals are registered for agricultural use in America. The National Academy of Science reports that 90% of the chemicals being used in our food have not been tested for long-term health effects before being deemed safe. Organically grown foods have more nutrients, vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and micronutrients than commercially grown foods because the soil is managed and nourished with sustainable practices by responsible standards. There are endless recipes that you could try that are organic and delicious at the same time. I have a friend who has a very interesting story. She used to have some terrible scratches on her face and her body, and after going to more than 8 dermatologists, she didn't see any change. So she decided to change her lifestyle by avoiding chemicals. She started planting her own vegetables at her backyard, changed her food, and started eating more organically, and drank a lot of water. After doing these little but important changes, she noticed a huge change on her face and all her scratches disappeared. Now she's trying different alternatives for becoming a more natural person, and she's creating recipes to wash her hair and her skin. Becoming more natural and avoiding chemicals is not only good for our body. By doing that, we're also helping the earth. Those chemicals are contaminating our environment, poisoning our precious water, and destroying our land. In case you want to try a new recipe and start this new lifestyle of becoming more natural, I'm gonna give you one that is really natural and very easy because the only thing you need is 2 ingredients, which is olive oil and avocado. The way you do it, you're gonna mash the avocado with the olive oil, mix it together until it's creamy, and apply it into your hair from root to tip. You're gonna wrap longer hair and put it into a bun, and then put a shower cup. Then it's better, I recommend, if you go outside in the sun because the hot will make the process better. So until you wait for 20 minutes, you wash your hair, and there you have a natural recipe in which you're gonna nourish your hair and wash it at the same time by using natural recipes in your house, which will make it easier and very good for the environment. Once you try those little but important changes, you will definitely notice a huge difference in your life, from the way you feel to the way you look.